Treat training can be a great way for you to bond with your dog and do something fun together. Just grab their favorite treats and start having fun. Start by having your dog sit next to you and lure them with a treat underneath your leg. Click and reward once they make it through. Repeat that step multiple times before adding another leg. Once your dog starts understanding the movement, you can start adding more steps and slowly fading out the treat. Just remember to always click and reward once they make it through each leg. When your dog is consistently and successfully weaving through your legs without a lure, you can start adding a cue. Just remember that it's okay to slow down or go back a step if you and your dog need to. After you got it, feel free to improvise and do even more fun things with leg weaves.